Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro. This is a 16-inch 2021 and the chip is M1 Pro. The RAM is 16 gigabyte and the storage is 512 gigabyte. Okay, you can see the battery cycle count 85 and the battery capacity is 98%. And let me show you the GPU 16 cores and the CPU 10 cores, 8 performance cores, 2 efficiency cores. Okay, this is a beautiful silver color, no scratches, the speaker grills, okay, no problem. The bigger speaker grills, okay, and let me show you the top cover, no scratches, the top cover, and you can see the logo, minor scratch, okay, minor scratches here, a little scratch, and let me show you the back. You can see the back, a little scratch here, a little scratch here and here. Okay, let me show you the charging port. Okay, you can see the charging port, a slight sign of use. Okay, let me show you this edge, no problem. This edge also no problem. You can see the HDMI port, no problem. Okay, this edge, okay, no problem. A little bit dirty here. Okay, let me show you the 16-inch display. Okay, let me close this window and change the wallpaper. Okay, you can see the display. The display, no problem. No scratches. Okay. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay. This is a fingerprint here. Let me change another color. Okay, no problem. No problem. Let me change another color. Okay. This price is about 6,100. Okay. The beautiful M1 Pro 16-inch, 16 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte. The storage. Okay. See you in the next video.